All right, start again.
Did it.
All right, welcome back to the great state of Kansas. This is apparently the biggest blizzard we've had here in 20 odd years. A once in a lifetime blizzard. This is the aftermath of it. You know, people in Minnesota would probably say we're pussies for calling this a blizzard, but you know, what can you do, right? We got, I believe the final tally was 19 inches of snow. It was pretty snowy.
You can see that some people haven't even bothered to get the shovel out.
Well, I got work tomorrow, so honestly, I'm just trying to see if it's at all passable. If, you know, I need to go ahead and just be like, not happening. Fuck off.
Chances are it's not happening. It doesn't even, I saw an article that said it was going to take 2 to 4 days to do anything with this road. I don't think it's possible. But who knows? Nope, just go forward here. Don't go the other way.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, because you were trying to turn there. Don't turn left, just go right. You would have gone right if you didn't keep trying to turn left.
Oh, this sucks. That really sucks. My name again is This Really Sucks. Yay! We did it!
No, we're stuck again. This might be where our journey ends. I don't think we can leave.
I don't need any jokes right now, buddy. I do not want to have to drive home in reverse.
Might just might. Oof. This is what we're next to.
Okay, this sucks.
Well,
Catch my breath.
if it happens again, I can step outside and kind of show what we're looking at.
Straight. Straight, motherfucker. Alright. This is not working.